Hello and happy holidays, everyone. We are in December and the end of 2021, but that only means 2022 is on its way near us. So before the year is out, I'd love to get my planners that prep me for the next year. I like to get them advanced because you find really good deals on them, and then they have so many different designs and different layouts that they released each year. Here I'm showing you a few of the ones that I have for my personal planner, as well as for my social media and digital content planner, and a notebook that I use for journaling, therapy, any ideas that come to mind. I do have another planner that I don't have pictured here, which is my personal work planner, and that one is specifically for things that I do in my current job as a graphic designer. So this notebook, I just love the cover of it because it showed all shades of women and it was just so empowering and lovely. I love the muted tones. The one in the middle, the stripes, that one is going to be my personal planner, and I got that from Target. I love the layout of that, the interior, and it just was really sophisticated and adult and just on my grown woman. Very boss vibes, if you feel me. So here I have a diagram of the different planners that I use. And yes, I use 3 different planners to get everything done. They keep me organized, they keep me on track, and it just really helps with knowing what's coming up next and making sure nothing gets lost or forgotten. I really think it's smart to get your planners now. The stores that I got my planners from are TJ Maxx as well as Target. And I also found a last one from DD's. DD's had a really good selection as well. But here's just a few of my planners for 2022, and I hope that you guys are out there shopping for your planner. It is never too early to plan or shop and get yourself together for 2022.